I lay awake at 3 in the morning with my mind buzzing and the room wide awake around me. I'll tell you what changed for me and how I used Pineal 10X the right way. If that sounds like your nights too, stay with me for 2 minutes. The official website link is in the description so you don't get scammed. I was tired of pretending I was fine. Groggy mornings, wired nights. I tried teas, breathing apps, blue light glasses, tiny lift, then the noise in my head came back. The worst part was feeling like calm wasn't an option, and my mornings didn't belong to me. I found Pineal 10X in that moment. Not for hype, because the idea is simple and usable. It's a short, daily audio routine designed to help your system wind down at night and switch on clearly in the morning. Headphones on, eyes soft, no pills, no side effects, just a practical protocol you can stick with. Yes, the link to the official site is in the description so you avoid copycats. I used it the simplest way. 1 session in the evening in a quiet chair, 1 brief session after I woke up. I dimmed the lights after dinner, kept water by the bed, and respected my bedtime. I didn't try to be perfect. I just stopped the small sabotage. In the first week, the edge came down. I fell asleep faster and didn't wake as often. I opened my eyes and felt present instead of stuck in a fog. Between the second and the third week, my nights felt softer, and my mornings made sense. I stopped doom scrolling in bed because I didn't need distraction to get tired. My shoulders dropped during the session, and that calm carried into the next day. From the 4th to the 6th week, my rhythm was reliable. I slept deeper, remembered my dreams, and woke steady. Focus held through the afternoon, and the background buzz quieted. Imagine 90 days from now with quiet nights and clear mornings you can count on. That's what I was after. Quick reminder so you don't get burned. Pineal 10X isn't sold on Amazon or random marketplaces. The official website link is in the description. Use that. If you've tried everything, I get it. What unlocked this for me wasn't willpower. It was giving my brain daily guidance so it could work for me again. Miss a day on the weekend? Start again Monday. Consistency beats perfection. You don't have to overhaul your life. Water, a short walk late afternoon, and a simple digital sunset help more than you think. If you have sound sensitivity or a condition, talk to your doctor and stay safe. Why I don't suggest just 1 month. Minds don't reset in 15 days. What held my results was sticking with it for 90 to 180 days. That's why a 3 or 6 month access plan makes more sense and usually costs less than renewing bit by bit. There's a money-back guarantee. Keep your order info. If it's not for you, ask for a refund without drama. My verdict is simple. I didn't want a quick spark that fades. I wanted calm that stays, and mornings I can trust. Pineal 10X gave me both with a routine I can live with. If you decide to try it, don't grab the bare minimum and expect magic. Set yourself up with 3 or 6 months so the habit sticks and your nights stop running the show. The official site link is in the description.